Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about how to make a membership website using WordPress. So let's just suppose you have your courses website like this. I have uh you know insert this website from Astra and it's very basic, right? As you can see over here. So let's just suppose this is your website and you are giving some courses, right? So you need also to give your customers a membership, gold membership or silver membership or bronze membership, so they can get access to it and whatever the plan they are going to choose. So for that purpose we need to create memberships, right? So how you can do that? You need to go at your plugins. So we are going to add plugin which is free, so just remember that. And go to add new, and you're gonna write paid membership pro, paid membership. Oh, sorry, I'm just gonna remove this. um Paid membership pro, simple, right? So wait for it, and after that what do you need to click on? The first one, which is this one, paid membership pro. Restrict member access to content, courses, communities, free or paid subscriptions. So you can add that all if you want to see all the details before installing it, because obviously this is your choice. And if you click on more details, you will find more things like whatever they are giving you, whatever the features they are providing you, content protections, and even member experience features, what are the like front end login, user restrictions, and simple to set up. So it's by the way, it is really simple to set it up. So how you can do that? So first of all, obviously you need to click on install now, and you need to wait for a while. Once installed, click on activate. And right now you can see on the left side of this panel we have memberships options over here right down below of comments. And we are like redirected to dashboard automatically once you install and activate it. So you will end up over here. So we have some options right over here, dashboard, whatever is going on, and what they will like let you know: sales and revenue, recent members, recent orders, membership stats, and all the analytics which you need to know, even though visits and views and logins. So I guess this is very cool in my opinion. And you have your like create membership level. We will talk about this all, generate membership pages and all that stuff. We can see over here one thing is like an annual support license is recommended for websites running paid membership pro. So you just click on that, you will see that all the plans and pricing. But we have more options like members. We don't have any members, right? Obviously right now we don't have any members, and you can see all the members over here. And after, like, if you have more members, you can just export that to CSV easily. You have your orders would be over here, like whatever orders people are like customers, your customers are going to subscribe to it. I'm just gonna remove this one. And you have your reports, simple, every single thing. You can just guess that like what is report, orders, and every single thing. The main thing we are going to work on is settings. So click on settings, and here we have more options where we are going to create packages for our customers, right? So enable data tracking for paid memberships pro. So I think, yeah, allow that. So whatever like customers are going to subscribe to it, we can just track them out, right? So for the first option is levels. So what are the levels? How many levels are there? Like, so let's just say we have bronze, we have silver, we have gold, and last one is with premium. So we can create that all over here. Just click on that, and you can see monthly basis, like what type of membership level do you want to create, like monthly basis, annual basis, one time, lifetime, trial, and advanced. So let's just say I want to create silver, bronze, um whatever I say, premium and gold, right? So premium would be one time investment or lifetime investment, so we can do that. And gold would be obviously 1 month, and monthly would be bronze, and this one could be silver. So let's just say I'm just going to create one so you get the idea like what am I going to do, right? So I'm just going to click on monthly for now, and what would be our our name. This would be monthly, right? So this would be our bronze membership, and you can just add your picture, picture and you know media to just describe your membership level. And you can just add your descriptions and confirmation email, membership messages. So this is where you are going to edit billing details. So once you click on it, your initial payment, like whenever you are going to start. So you can just before setting this up, you can just click on this custom trial. So how much, like days and stuff, like what are the custom trial amount would be if you want that your customer to use that. So you can just add that, and your initial and billing amount would be the same, obviously. And if you don't want that, you are going to change, like the first month would be like $10, but from the next very month you need to pay 25 then. So you can do that, right? Expiration settings, like membership expiration, check this to set when membership access expires. Once you click on it, you can just add that month and how many after month this is going to be expired. But we don't want that. As much as they want to use this package, they can use that, right? Content settings, if you want to add like single post, single pages, all that things, if you want to add that, you can also do that very easily over here. And then simple save changes, save level. So this is our bronze membership, and if you want to add more, right down below, like silver and all that, you can just copy that. But we don't need to copy that, we need to create like add new level. Now we will be going to annual. So make those packages and you will like see all those over here. So let's just suppose we have created all of them, and the next option is discount codes. So discount codes are very similar, just click on create a discount code, and you are going to create a discount code, right? So this would be our discount code, and start and expiration date would be this, and the limit of these users is like 2. Let's just say that. And it will only apply on bronze membership, even though we have gold and silver and premium would be over here, but we are going to apply this only on uh bronze membership. And what would be like what would it cost then after, so initial would become 8, and billing would become 50 or 18, you know so it's not a bad deal, right? It's a safe code, and whenever people are going to use this code, and it will change that bronze membership to 25 to 18, and $10 to $5, so all that stuff. After that, you can see that you have your pages, you have your payment, like how you are going to receive payment, all those details which you can just add that details like payments and all that stuff. What will be the currency, what would be the gateway, like is it going to be Stripe, Express, or PayPal, even though. So you can just add that stuff. So these are very normal stuffs, right? So but the problem is we need to create our pages. So if you click on this generate pages for me, once you does all of this like discounts and level, it will create pages for you by itself, and after that pages will be in your website. So I'm not going to do that because obviously it's only one over here, like I created only levels for just an example. So I hope you get the idea, like what I'm going to like what I'm trying to say, like how you can create your membership, how you can generate your pages for those memberships. So that's it. This is all you need to know, how you can create a membership, how you can make a membership on your website using WordPress. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.